Another story is that when he came back to Warsaw, he took my mother. He wasn't married to my mother then. My mother was, I had an older brother who was half brother from my mother's side. And my mother was married before that. But her husband, together with many other Jewish writers, had to escape Warsaw because of the German coming in. They were afraid, so they took all the writers. Most of the family stayed behind. But my father took my mother and my older brother, who's deceased now. He was maybe 9 then, 9 or 10. And he put them on a wagon or something, and they escaped Warsaw, and they came to Israel in one way. And my father had to travel from Poland. He left the Polish army. After 1 or 2 days, he was a soldier in the Polish army. And he left, and he went through Russia and India and Japan and came to Israel that way. And my parents got married here in Israel. So that's another story. My parents, especially my mother, didn't want to talk about this period so much. She was her family was all vanished, all of it, nothing left. So this whole period was not very popular in our house, which is very custom, very regular. And this is, I think, one of the reasons I don't know Yiddish so much, which is a shame.